This Prius we came in that is overheating. We put the scanner on and got two codes, 148F engine coolant pump over revolution and 261B engine coolant pump control malfunction. In this situation, it's telling me that this has an electric pump and this is malfunctioning internally, and I will show you later when I will open it up. That's what's going on inside the water pump. Okay, this is the one that we removed from the car. You can see it's very hard to move this impeller that circulates the water into the engine, and if I lift this up, you can see it's still hard to move. This is the new one that I'm going to unpack now, that comes with the seal. That's the new one. That's genuine from Toyota, Aisin, and you can see this impeller is moving very freely. If you compare it with this one, this is very hard to move. So this is moving with one finger and this is not moving. So that's the problem here. So we are going to replace this one and make sure that you have two big bolts. I show you the bolts. Okay, these are the two big bolts that gonna go there, and these are the three small bolts that gonna go. This is the reference to big bolts and three small bolts, and I'll show you the bolts as well. Do not drop this one. Be careful if you drop it. Sometimes internally the electric circuit breaks, and these are the 5 bolts. This is where the pump gonna go. Clean the surface with an emery paper or with a sharp blade, because when it's there for too long, some particles that get deformed from the coolant, they stick here, and this could cause a coolant leak, so that we don't want. So we're gonna clean this face and put the new seal, and while putting I'll show you. I'm going to clean this with the blade, the surface. So make sure there is nothing that gets stuck under the seal and cause the coolant leak. The surface with a clean rag. I'm going to put the seal on, so you can see you see this pattern here. You have to follow this pattern, and you have a cut here, and that cut is here. So this seal is gonna go one way like this, and press it a little bit gently. So this seal is not going to fall down now. There you go. Little bit of silicone spray on the bolt so I can engage it easily. So this bolt is going here. The second bolt, I'm going to put the same silicone on the threads. And this is gonna go here. Why I'm putting silicone is to do the bolts hand tight. So the threads can easily engage. And this is the way you can put the rest of them. They are all hand tight engaged. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna tight this one and this one first, and then this one and this one, and the last one will be the at the bottom. 1, 2, and the third one in the bottom. The torque for these 3 bolts is 15 foot-pound, and for these long bolts is 19 foot-pounds. Okay, this is in now. You have to put this one here in this slot. The second one gonna go there, and the third one gonna go here. And now you need to put the bolts in. First you're gonna put here, just engage it. This one, and then the third one. Lock them up. Now you need to put the plug in first. Now clip the plug in. Put this one in. Okay. We're gonna put the filter in first. And make sure they go in here, and then clip this on. Plug is on. This is all done, and now I'm going to tighten this clamp. This is on. We're gonna add the coolant in here. We are going to use Ready Cool SF concentrate. That is concentrate red coolant, long life. We're gonna add the coolant to the full level. We added some, and we're gonna add more. Now we are going to start the car. Ready is on, all the lights cleared, codes cleared before we're gonna change it. So now what, we started the car to see if there is any lights. There is no light. So sometimes what happens is there is code set. That's why we started the car, so there is no code set. We turned off. Now we're gonna put it into the maintenance mode. So for the maintenance mode, what I'm going to do is to press the button twice without pressing the brake pedal, and now I'm going to press twice accelerator pedal and press the brake and move the lever to the N position, and now I'm going to press the accelerator pedal fully depressed twice, and now I'm gonna press P and press the accelerator pedal twice again, and that light will start blinking, means car is in maintenance mode. And now I am going to start the car, press the brake and start the car. So now the engine will not stop, it will keep running. The car will not go into the hybrid mode, so the engine will keep running in the maintenance mode. So we're gonna heat up and check the operation of the temperature coolant sensor, and that temperature coolant sensor will turn on the fans, and in this way we're gonna check the temperature sensor operation and to see if the fans are working properly.